they go break him home. Oh. Beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them.
Oh! Somebody use this one and look. To balance my life. Before I go for second round. See this period there? You have to play. I'm telling you.
I'm not scared.
I will give you 3 plates.
Bring it.
The one that is there.
Bring it on.
This baby inside. She welcome. She wait for 2. Welcome for 2. Tell the boy inside to wait for 2 days. Ah! This is enjoyment.
Honey! Honey, my butt. Anayo, what is going on here? What are you?
What is it?
What is going on here? Who is this and why is she tying my wrapper?
You've not seen bread before, you've not seen titles. Or don't you know Janet? Is she not from this village?
I know Janet. Quite alright, I know Janet. But Janet, why are you tying my wrapper in my own house? Hands up! Anayo, okay, Henemeba. This woman. Anayo, what is happening here?
Leave her.
Leave me. Anayo, what is going on here, Anayo?
Leave her close. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Anayo, you beat me.
Since you don't want me to explain to you, listen to me. She's carrying my child. And she's not my wife.
No way!
And she has come to stay.
Anayo, no way! It is not possible!
What is wrong with you?
Barry woman.
Huh? Okay. Since you can, if you want to calm down.
No, Barry woman! Are you bomb?
If you want to calm down, I will explain to you. Not that just that she's my wife now. It's not just that she's my wife now. She's carrying my child. Do you understand? She's not carrying my child. She's not my wife. And she has come to stay. Listen, her things are in the room now. So go to the room and pick your things and go to another room. Because she's going to be in my room now. Hi. See, let me tell you. For 5 years now, both of us have been living in this house. Do you understand? You couldn't carry belly. There was no belly. All you were giving me breast. Give me belly. You refuse to give me belly. You are giving me breast. I'm tired of sucking breast. Do you understand? See, come on, corner kick. Corner kick. Janet, catch it. Catch the ball. But I've been playing penalty for you. Only you. Wing. You couldn't catch it. Now I play corner kick. Janet, catch it.
Anayo,
and you want to fight her.
Anayo, you are wicked.
Let me be wicked.
Anayo, after everything we have been through together, you do this to me, Anayo.
What have we been together? What have we been together if not you give me breast to suck? I am tired of sucking breast. I'm an old man. Men don't suck breast. See, let me tell you.
Anayo, tell your girlfriend to remove my wrapper. Anayo, tell your girlfriend to remove my wrapper. Anayo, see. Because this house will not enter us.
The life is not. This life is not.
Anayo one.
She doesn't have.
Anayo one. Not close to me. Anayo one. Anayo, tell her to remove my wrapper. Tell her to remove my wrapper. Please. Tell her to remove my wrapper. Body woman. Body woman.
Listen.
Anayo,
listen.
Body woman. Body woman. Anayo.
You have to cut your breast and give her. She doesn't have breast. The baby that is coming needs breast to suck. Cut your breast and give her. Can't you see how it is small?
More body woman. I'm body woman. I'm working up a body woman. I'm working up a body.
Nonsense. Come out again. Let me deal with you. Cool down. Cool down and eat your food. This is your house. I don't mind that you have small breasts. Sit down.
So this is all you could do, Abi?
Don't worry.
Okay.
I will give you big breasts.
So my dear, I have something to tell you. There's this money I've saved. I want to give to you so you start up a business.
Hey.
You know, something to keep you busy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So, like, what would you want me to do?
Let's say provision store. Okay. You look for a store down the street, then kick off.
Okay.
Hey, you know who's calling?
No, who?
That man I told I was learning clearing and forwarding with.
Okay.
Yes, hi, my dear. I have to go now. No, I've missed work for 2 days now. So I really have to go, yes. Okay. And then I want you to put eye in searching of that shop I told you, so we can pay you start off.
Okay. Let me just quickly put food for you.
I'll eat out. Don't worry, I'll eat out, okay? Look at and chase mama put to the shop. One need there. Okay? I have to go now.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is it okay? The one and only man in my heart.
Shameless human being! Shameless callous! Leave my house for me! Janet, leave my house for me! Leave my house for me! Janet, leave my house for me! Lapu said no, go! Go! After you have finished using yourself in this village, useless in yourself, you come here to come and enter my own house. Janet, leave my house.
Barren woman, you
Janet,
are barren. You were not able to even get pregnant. You cannot give your husband a child. Because I am pregnant for him now. So you are jealous. You are angry. You want to die. See, it is that anger that will kill you. Ebere, that anger will kill you.
That is what
Barren
Anayo
woman.
told you. Anayo told you that I am barren.
You are barren.
Is that what he told you?
Barren.
Janet, Lapubem.
You get pregnant.
Janet, Lapubem. Leave my house. Janet, leave my house. I will kill you. I will kill you. Oh, everybody should have said I will kill you. I will kill you, Janet. Janet, I will kill you. I will kill you, Janet. Janet, I will kill you.
I really don't understand what exactly is going on. Ejike hasn't called. He hasn't been picking my calls. And he also hasn't been here for 2 days. What is really going... Rubbish.
Stop calling my phone. Stop calling me. Are you daft? Stop calling me. Fool.
I'm losing my mind. I don't want to go crazy right now. What is going on? What's going on?
I'll kill you. What is wrong with this one? Hey! Everybody should hear my voice now. You should tell this girl to leave my house. Leave my house. Yes!
Okay, what is it? What is it? What is it? Wait.
What is it?
What is it?
Tell this girl. This thing you brought into my home. Tell her to leave my house.
Ebere.
Yes.
Ebere.
Yes.
Ebere.
Yes.
If I can take your time. Ebere, what is it? Do you want to kick away the child in her stomach? Are you okay? Are you silly? What nonsense? Why will you do that? You see that she's carrying my child? You want to fight her? Are you okay?
Anayo.
Want me to beat you now?
Anayo. You want to beat me because of this village prostitute you brought into our home. Anayo beats me.
See, let me tell you. Let me tell you.
You want to beat me because of this thing.
If you don't take that, if you don't take that, you will leave this house. Don't try me. You will leave this house. Nonsense. And if you leave, you drop your breast because I paid for it. Are you silly?
Look at me.
Leave me.
Look at me.
So this is all
I go nowhere. I go nowhere.
Yeah?
This is my home. If anyone should leave, this thing should leave my house.
Yeah, Ike Nobi. Ike Nobi. Go inside and pack your things and leave my house. Ike Nobi.
You see this marriage?
The only thing I have is this breast.
We're not going anywhere. Anayo, we die here.
So, Anayo.
You see,
Anayo.
Go and walk. Go inside. Go inside and pack your things and leave my house.
And
if you are going, keep my breast. If you are going, keep this breast. It's not your own.
Let God be the judge.
God be the judge.
Okay,
you cannot give me a child. The woman that wants to give me a child wants to keep the child away. Is that how you do mine? Go inside.
You go. I will kill you in this house. I will kill you in my house. Leave my house. Leave my house.
Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Go and pack your things and leave my house. Go and pack your things and leave my house. And don't live with that breast. Because I paid for it. I paid for that breast. Cut it and keep it inside. My incoming child will use it. Nonsense. Sorry.
Leave me alone. Don't touch me. So you could not even do anything to her. That's all you could do to her, eh?
I will kill her in the night.
So you want me to lose this baby, Abby?
You will not.
Don't worry, there's no problem. I will pack my things and go back to my parents' house. Then you will come crawling and begging before you can get your child back. Don't worry, I'm leaving.
Please, if you want me to crawl, I will crawl. I will beg, please, don't do this thing. Eh? I will kill her in the night. I don't like killing people in the daytime. Please, don't do this thing. Hey, Ebere. Ebere, pack your things and leave my house. My wife will not leave because she has my child. Take your things and leave this house, and you're not living with that breast. That's the only thing you pass in this house. Breast, big breast. Take that breast and keep it in the fridge. My incoming child will use it. Nonsense. You silly. You want to kick away the child because you couldn't give me one. Since I married you, all you have been giving me is breast. Am I a baby? I am tired of sucking breast. What I need now is a child, not a breast. You silly.
What happened? You got me worried. Sit down.
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
So tell me, how did it go?
Babe, I wish it is easy. I'm still on it. Please, just give me small time. Just little time to get a divorce.
What do you mean you're still on it? It's taking more than necessary now. What do you mean? Listen, I don't have time for this, so you really have to do this. What do you mean by that? Give her the damn paper to sign.
Babe, these things are not easy as you think. Okay? Just give me some time.
What time?
These things have process.
What process are you talking about?
Babe, come
This has really taken a lot of time and I can't wait anymore. What does she want? Does she want money? If she wants money, give her money and let her get out of your life.
Angel.
No, don't angel me. Don't do that. I've waited enough. What's all this? I am running out of patience. I'm seriously running out of patience. I need to get this over and done with. Do you understand? What's all this? If it is money she wants, give her money, let her go. You can't play me. You can't just play me. I should wait. You want time till I grow old. Right? What nonsense. I'm a fool. I can't be fooled. I cannot.
Okay.
Chalo money. Go and get my food. So no plant in us. Electric in a transformer that is not good. Is busted. It's not me, that human being that is talking. Go and get my food. I don't want to shout.
Bia Anayo, I thought you got married to a new wife. Can't she cook for you? Is it not the responsibility of a new wife to take care of her husband? She cannot cook for you. Yeah?
Ebere, you are looking for trouble. So you are now referring to my wife, who is pregnant for me, to go and cook. So the cockroach one and a half. Is that your target? You can no longer cook for me and give me your husband food. Eh? See, let me tell you, in this house, nobody is cooking from different pots. We are all going to use one pot and cook with one mouth, one spoon in this house. If not, a man at this house will not contain all of us. You have to give us a chance. Do you understand? The reason I'm keeping you here is so that when this child is delivered, am I not talking to a human being?
Bianayo, your new wife cannot cook for you. Bia Janet, come and cook for your husband. Come and cook for him. Let us stop shouting here. She cannot cook. Omashilini, Bianayo, any column. Don't disturb me.
Ebere Chuku.
Eh?
Ebere Chuku.
Eh?
Ebere Chuku.
Eh?
How many times did I call you? Get me my food 1.
2.
Get me my food 2.
Boom.
Get me my food 3. Ebere. You want me to kill you? You want me to kill you here and sell your breast?
Wait.
You want to my own house? Ebere Chuku. Are you okay? You want to drag food in my own house? Sorry. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Now, cut your breast. I cannot cut your breast and give my wife. Are you stupid? Are you silly? Are you silly?
You're pressing my neck.
I want to press your leg.
You're pressing my neck,
You are pressing my leg with your breast. You are pressing my leg with your breast.
I'm going to die.
Die.
I can't breathe.
Don't die with the breast.
I can't breathe, Anayo.
You silly.
Listen, I am your friend. Leave Chief Benjamin alone. Your God-destined husband will come.
Nneka, when? When? Look at me. I'm not getting any younger. And you know that all the men that comes around me just want to have their way with me and go as usual. I know where I'm coming from. I'm from a polygamous home. So I need to settle down.
Listen, the time will come. It will come. Okay, now look at. Who would have thought that Dikeh and I will be happy again? Tell me.
Yes, you were trying to tell me something.
Yes, so Dikeh said I should go and look for a shop. He wants to start provision business for me.
That's good.
Yes, so good. So good.
But to me, don't be so carried away by it. You know, when a man is too kind, there's something not right somewhere.
Uzamaka, Potaba, come out. See, Dikeh is now a new person. He's a changed man. He said he wants me to start up, any business so that I can be busy to avoid all this unnecessary quarrel.
Really? Oh, I can see you're so happy about it.
I am so happy. Yeah, I'm so happy.
I'm happy for you as well.
Thank you. Zimo, such a wonderful man.
Get up. New wife has come to come and stay with her husband. Go to look for another room and stay. Find somewhere and attach yourself and sleep. There are other rooms in the house. Go and clean anyone and sleep. I have come to sleep with my new wife in the new bed. No, yeah, come.
Anayo, is this why you woke me up?
No, not walk.
Hey, Anayo, is this why you woke me up? Anayo, this is my bed. My own bed. I go nowhere. If she wants to sleep, she should go and look for somewhere and squeeze herself inside. Or wait for bed that where I'm Anayo, I don't like this, I don't like it at all. Tell this thing to leave this bed now. Tell her to leave this bed. I want to sleep. My baby wants to rest. Please. Anayo, upon this thing. Upon this thing. Let me understand. Yes. Hey!
I better chuku. Get out from this room.
Tell this girl to leave our room. Let her leave our home. It is not
our room. It is my room now.
It's no longer your
Hey, God, leave this place.
Leave this place. Leave this bed. Leave this bed.
Get out from here.
I will deal with you. I will kill you in this house. Janet, I will kill you in this house.
I'll go back to my family and you will not see this child.
Go back to your family. Go back to your family. Can't you understand?
Calm down.
Go leave my home for me. And I leave me alone. Leave here. Alayo!
Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, you only better no one. Oh, na no boy. Better think twice. Better think twice. And if you wait, na him you go repo. Better think twice.
He's coming back. I won't let you Anthony, I won't let you. This is my chance. I am not going to throw this lifetime opportunity away. I won't. Anthony.
Know what you are doing. To avoid regret at last. Think twice. Better think twice. Think twice. Better think twice. Oh. You need better no. Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh. Anything where you saw.
Baby, I made you a delicious breakfast.
I'm sorry, I'm not hungry.
Babe, please, at least have a taste of it.
I'm sure you heard what I just said. I am not hungry.
Babe, come on. I insist. Please,
Why would you insist?
just taste it.
Test what? Why won't you do the needful? You're doing the unimportant things. Serving me food. Did I tell you I want to eat food? Do what you're supposed to do. Then I can eat whatever you bring.
You will love this.
Please.
Hey.
Better think twice. Hey. Better think twice. Oh. Anything where you saw, now him you go reap. Oh.
Jeanette! Jeanette! What is it? Again?
Anyways, Jeanette, I want to ask you a question. Is it that you don't know how to behave? Or you choose not just to behave? That thing you were doing last night, Kaburiya, the first and last. Let it be the first and last. That kind of thing will happen in my house. Yes! You were just screaming the whole place down. Are you the only one in this house? Yes?
You are looking for my trouble this morning. Oh. I'm on my own. Oh. You are looking for my trouble. Oh. Did I scream with your mouth? Was I screaming with your mouth? It's my husband complaining. He's not complaining. Ebere, let this be the first and the last time you will talk to me about this rubbish. Don't disturb me again. No. Just leave me in peace this morning.
This is my house.
This is don't push me. Oh. My husband is not complaining, Ebere.
Yes.
Hey, what is it? What is it? What is it this morning? What is it this morning?
I'm just looking at house.
What is it this morning?
Sweetie, I'm just looking at house.
Sweetie, Anayo! Tell this thing you brought into our home. Tell this thing you brought into our home to stop screaming.
Who is it? Don't ever come in this thing again. Don't try it again. What's wrong with this one? Be very careful. I know I'm looking at you.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Did she scream with your mouth? I will slap you. Did she scream with your mouth? Did she scream with your mouth? See, let me tell you. See that screaming? I like it. Let her scream. I was the one that was enjoying it with her. So if you don't like it, take one of your breasts and cover your ear. Do you understand that? Or carry pillow. Cover your ear. You did not sleep well. You did not sleep well. Leave her. What is it? Hey. Allow her to scream in peace. Hey. She was in love and she was enjoying it. Okay. I am her husband as well. And I'm enjoying it. When it's your turn, you can scream as you like.
So bad, Don't
try me.
Yes. Leave my house.
I'm warning you. He can't do nothing. He can't do nothing. He can't do nothing. He can't do nothing.
You just want to die for nothing. You want to die jealousy.
Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house alone. Leave my house.
You will enter me. You will enter me with this, you know. Get her from here. Don't worry. You scream for me. You see that screaming? Screaming. I will deal with you.
Don't listen to me like I told you before. Rosie is mine. She will always be mine.
Now listen, let me tell you something. And put it into your head. Into your skull. Rosie has moved on. She doesn't want an irresponsible man, an illiterate like you.
Eh? So leave her alone. Ah! For real? Are you serious? Alright, fine. Now tell me. Why does she still feel bad, threatened, anytime she bumps into me?
Yeah.
Because she loves me so much. Because she still feels that special thing for me. She has a special place in her heart for me. Not you. She belongs to me. And she will always be mine. I will take her away from you.
Madam, two guys, they find it outside. If I say they won't blow their eye. Why they do like this? Why they do like this?
Wait! What are you talking about? Two guys are outside.
They play. How did they fight? I don't know.
Is it HGK? Outside right now. My God.
Stop and leave here. Shut up and leave. She doesn't belong to you last time. She's not yours. Well, I can't. You lose. Tire.
What is wrong with you two?
If I use this thing on you, Hey.
What do we What do we call this madness? What is wrong? Why are you fighting?
Rosie?
What do you mean, Rosie? What are you doing in my house? Have I not warned you never to come to my house again? What exactly are you doing here? Now get out. Get out!
Leave!
I'm done with you.
Try me.
Hey, boo.
Try me. Enemo.
Let's go.
Try me. Come
with me, don't mind me.
Can you go? Finish you. Just finish you.
It's a lie. I didn't mention this to anybody. Sister, hey! Sister, I was just coming back from the village that day. Come Nabia. Where Fanayo? Now his new wife. She was even tying my wrapper. The thing was tying my wrapper. Hey God. Tago mafufu. Ebere chuku ni tago afufu. Sister, after everything Anayo and I have been through, this is how Anayo chooses to pay me. I am now restless in my own house. I don't even sleep well. Sleep well. Nakodo sleep. That girl screams from night to morning. Anaya. Hey. Sister. Kaila Pogodu, let's forget about me and my problems. Let's forget it. How are you, Joa? How are you? How is it, Chiki? How is your home? My sister, I am really sorry about what you're going through. It pains me to hear this. Hi. He's doing this thing to me. It's okay. Is Anayo that is doing this thing to me? Is Anayo? Don't worry. Don't worry. Well, my sister, AGK is not a good person. AGK has changed though. Hey, I'm telling you, AGK has completely changed. He's not a new man. He has even opened business for me. Don't say so! Yeah. Hey! The only thing is that he is hardly at home these days. You know? Yes, and that's because of the nature of his new job, of which I understand. He must be very busy. So, you're doing fine. Hey, sister. This is a very good news. Like, this is the best news I've heard in a while. It is. And not just that. AGK has started peaking gradually financially. Yes. Hey! Yes, this his new job is really paying him well. Sister,
You know I was telling you that time. You were doing Ejike. I will leave him. Say you see, it's you now that is smiling. I told you. Now see, that time you're doing Ejike. Now see, say your glories. Hello, it's little. It's just 20,000 naira. Please put it in your business. Just manage it. Sister, it's a manage 20,000. Hey! You're the best sister in the world. I know. I know what my life would have been without you. Nothing. Empty. Thank you, sister. You see, you and Dikeh, people will continue to prosper. Amen. You will prosper. You will continue going higher, higher, and higher, and higher. Oh, amen. Amen. Thank you, sister.
Hi, Rosie. Roro, baby. I just want to thank you for supporting me out there against Anthony.
I never supported you. I did what I did because I wanted to do it. It's for my own good. Do not misunderstand me.
Come on, why are you talking like this? Huh? Oh, why the sudden change? Don't you love me again? Why are you using harsh words on me?
Harsh words, you say? You haven't said nothing, oh. Do the needful. You are supposed to have done what we discussed and marry me fast, but you're wasting time. People change, oh. When I change, you will not like it.
Don't worry. I know what to do.
Don't tell me you know what to do. Execute it already. Let it be done. And let this marriage happen. Should I be begging you for it? Should I?
It's okay. See?
Oh, do not. I am not in that mood. Please, don't.
I know what to do.
I need water to drink. Get me some water. Water.
Okay. Okay.
I'm thirsty.
The most important thing. I'm going.
Down. I cannot die now. Not even this week. Hey! Now, wow.
What are you doing here now? Let's go back inside.
Please, Janet. Janet, pick up. I want to rest. As you can see, now I want to receive fresh air. Before I die before my time. What is all these things now? Eh? Are you not tired?
Please now, let's go back.
I'm not going back. Oh. You see that house? For me to go inside, in fact, I'm not going to sleep there. I'll sleep outside here. You want to kill me?
No, why are you doing this now? You're embarrassing me.
Embarrassing you how?
Let's go inside. Let's just finish. Please.
No, we are finished. Miss Agusigwa. Miss Agusigwa, you want to kill me. Since you came to this house, you are making me go down drastically.
Don't worry, I won't stress you. I will be on top this.
No, you want to be on top so that I will go to my grave. Listen, let me tell you. It has never been heard in the history of my family that any man died on top of a woman. So it will not start from me. Since I brought you inside this house, can't you ataranga? Eh? On ataranga, I am going down drastically. Trousers made in illegal alignment. All my trousers and my polo every day. And I'm like this man. Tell him to adjust it. I'm going down every day. Can't you see?
Anna, you're going inside. Is this not what you want? Go inside, Nabazoso.
Nobody will take my.
Take him inside.
It's only two women that I have. They connive to kill me, in the bed,
You
so that they will share my father's property.
You know I can never kill you.
Oh yeah. How can I don't
No.
Please.
Janet. Obu no Julogi, go and hug your pillow. Obu no Julogi, go and hug your pillow. Anytime you see me inside that bedroom, man no zoom keep. No, you cannot see me. Never! I cannot die before my time. And when my father did not die on top of my mother. They will not, it's not start from me. No, you will be on top.
May I know exactly why you called me out here?
Rosie, Anthony really loves you. Yes, he confessed that to me. I won't be here if it's not true. That man has strong feelings for you and don't look that way.
What in God's name are you talking about? You and I know full well that this man we speak of is your boyfriend. So why are you telling me that he loves me?
It didn't work out between us. For now, we're just friends, great friends. I'm not the one in his heart. He loves you. Just give him a chance.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am no longer interested in Anthony. I have my own man now.
Okay. If he's worth the sacrifice, why not? I wish you well. But if he's not worth it, don't miss an opportunity of being with a man that loves you. Genuinely.
Why are you doing this, Sarah? Why?
Rosie, listen, I'm not trying to confuse you, no? That's not what I'm trying to do. I am just trying to open up my heart to you, to clear my conscience. Let me surprise you. Anthony is not even aware of this meeting. I just came here on my own to tell you the truth. Give him a try.
What's up?
Yeah, baby. Welcome.
Is it clean up?
Not really. Chief collected a flat for me in GRE for my security.
You don't say.
Hey! My friend carried that thing. It is Gary, you eat.
See her hair. Hey! Congratulations, so.
Thank you.
Hey! But you just renewed your house rent now. What happened to it now?
I don't need it anymore.
Yeah. Hey! I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
It's just that I wish you listened to my advice. But it's okay. I can see your mind is made up.
Yes. This one is heavy. Oh. Carry that thing you be saying.
Go, carry it and go. Hey! So that's why you're leaving me here.
Yes.
Hey.
I will miss you.
This compound will be so boring without you. Eh? Is it Mama Nkechi or the other one I'll be talking with? Mama Nkechi, anything I tell her now will come out.
Don't worry, I'll be coming time to time to check up on you, eh?
Time to time cannot be like normal.
Hey, baby.
I'm very hungry. Later.
Ne, baby. Keep some for me. You know I like your food.
See your mouth. Keep some for me. Better go and learn how to cook. You're going into a man's house.
Must you tell me every time that I cannot cook?
Go and learn. I've heard. Hey.
Anayo, did you bring me into this house to kill me and my unborn child? Eh? I am sick and tired of eating bread and sardine every day. I want to eat real food, Anayo.
Look at from bread and sardine. You saw bread and sardine and you still have mouth. Do you know how much it costs? The one you open the sardine, do you know how many fish inside there? You will finish them and you are still complaining. You need real food. Me too, I need real food. After all, I'm a human being. I'm not an animal. Yeah? I was born by a human being like you. So, if you are hungry, I'm also hungry. If you need real food to eat, come and eat me.
Anayo, you are a useless man.
Okay.
In fact, you are the most useless man I have ever seen in my entire life.
Because you come close.
A woman is feeding you in your house. You are not ashamed of yourself. Child! You should be ashamed of yourself.
I should be ashamed because a woman is feeding me.
You should go out there, work, fend for your family like your fellow men. You lied to me. You lied to me that the government is owing you millions. Whereas you don't have anything. Anayo, you tricked me into believing that you will make money soon. Well, you don't even have kobo. Shishi you don't have. Hey! So, you should be ashamed of yourself.
If you like, believe. If you like, don't believe. What I know is I'm going to make money soon. Yes! Because any human being that is alive should have hope. that he's going to make money soon. Yes, that is why we are all alive. We are going to make money soon. So if you're not going to make money soon, I will. And besides, government is owing me. The government people are owing me. Is this country good? Eh? Is this country good that government will not be owing me? I told president to share the country's money. Let me take my own. So they have promised to share the whole money. So they're owing me.
Anna, you are a very big liar.
No problem.
A big liar, that is what you are. So you think I won't find out that it is your wife they are owing the money? You think I won't find out that it is your wife they are owing the money? Huh? Hey!
Researcher.
You don't have anything. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Researcher.
Useless man.
Researcher.
Stupid man.
Researcher Janet. Go and research.
Go and work like your fellow men.
Go and research and find out that the government, we are owing my wife. Government owe my wife and I owe my wife. Do you understand that? Yes, if government is owing my wife, I'm the one that owing my wife.
Hi.
Do you understand? So if you like, anything you like, do. Now that you have known, I don't care. Listen, let me tell you. Better my wife has said that she's not going to be cooking for us in this house. Do you understand? Now that she's not going to be cooking, she's a woman like you. Go out there and hustle so that you make money and be preparing for us. Preparing food for us. After all, you're a woman. She has big breasts. You have small breasts. So go out there and hustle like according to your breast. Hustle according to your breast. She has big breasts. You hustle big. You have small breasts. You hustle small. What I know is that let there's food on the table.
You have to take care of me and my unborn child. That is what I know. I don't care how you want to do it.
No
you
problem.
Have to take care of my unborn child for me.
If I cannot take care of your unborn child, eat the unborn child. Eat it. Eat it. There's no point bringing the child onto the world to join you in eating bread and sardine. Eat the child there. Do you understand? Yes. Even the child, take the child and go.
I know he will like it. I made a sumptuous meal for him. Can't wait for him to come back. Let me go and shower so I'll smell nice.
Missed you so much.
Well, I'm sorry. Sorry for what? Whatever. Sorry.
This is exactly what I wanted to come and do. Now it's very easy for me. You have to die so I can easily marry the beautiful woman in my life. Stupid.
Who is there? Honey? Is that you? Who's there? I thought I heard footsteps now. What was that?
So,
okay. Sorry, did you see my husband? I mean, did anyone enter here right now?
No. Besides, I've been inside since. Are you done with the food?
Yes, so. But I'm waiting for my husband to come back so that we eat. Eh?
Love, love, love. Please, you better go inside and eat. You know how your husband behaves. He will come back later. So you better give me my own now.
No. When I'm done eating my husband first, then I'll serve you. Go inside.
Nay, baby, but I want to eat now.
No. I'm waiting for my husband to come back for us.
Let's stay in your house. I'm coming now. Oh. No. I must eat that food. Stay there.
Anthony, I need time to think about this. I only came here because of what Sarah told me. If not, what business do I have in your house?
Come on. There is nothing to think about. I'm deeply sorry for hurting you.
What are you saying? You don't expect me to throw away what you did to me just like that, like it never happened. I mean, who does that? Please, don't even say that. Besides, I have a man in my life already, and he's ready to marry me.
Come on, he doesn't love you.
Oh.
Yes, believe me, he doesn't love
Then you love me, right? You are the one that truly loves me.
Rose, listen to me. He's just a mechanic who's looking for opportunity.
Oh.
See, don't forget, you contributed what I am today. You made me the man I am today, and I'm not ready to leave you. Please, don't forget his saying that the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know.
Indeed.
Please, believe me. I'm ready to do anything for you. Please.
You see what I was talking about? He's already calling me. I have to go, please.
Come on.
Anthony, I have to go.
Come on, Rose, don't do this, please.
I must go. I need to go.
Please, just spend some time with me. Don't leave me like this, please. Please, I beg you. Please.
If you give attention, they will lead you to destruction. Beware, know who you they relate with. Oh, only God knows who be who for this world. Oh, I say beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh, beware, agents of darkness everywhere.
Let me eat this food. Before Zamaka will come and join me, I beg. It took me a lot to prepare this food.
Oh, sweetheart, where are you? Please come back. We need to celebrate. We just need to celebrate. I am going to marry you in peace. No one is going to disturb us in the future. No one is going to fight us anytime now. No one. Where are you? Come, let's celebrate. Ulubia anabagone nigwe. Baby, one for you. One for the effort. One for my sugar baby. I am happy.
Wait! What are you doing?
Come on, what am I doing? Just.
No, please. Listen, don't do this to me. You know everything already. You can't do this.
I know also, baby, you know my weakness also.
You know mine too.
Please, no. Just one little.
No, I can't do it.
Please, I'm in the mood. I want to do it, please. Just one, please. I'll be very fast.
No. Let go. Let me go. Leave me alone.
Is this game again? Let's get you down. It's a must. Almost.
Someone I asked her to bring my food. She's already sleeping. Nega! 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 Somebody help! Nega! 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 Nega!
Ozonoka, why are you calling me with my wife's number? Where is Nneka? What? Nneka is dead? Okay, I'm coming. I'm on my way.
Honey?
Hey, babe.
How are you?
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. I just got a call that my wife is dead.
What?
Yeah.
My goodness.
Baby, please.
You did it?
Yes. Baby, I want you to marry me. Please, I want us to be together forever. I love you.
Wait, I really... You actually did it?
Yes, for us. Baby, I did it for us. Please marry me. I killed her. Yeah, she's dead, you know.
Where is Ejike? Ejike is supposed to be here.
I have called him. He said he'll soon be here.
Chai! What could have killed Nneka? Hell!
So you were with him all this while?
It's not exactly what you think.
What do you know that I'm thinking? Huh? I was really sick, waiting for you. And you were there in another man's arm who doesn't respect you at all, who treats you bad. Why? What do you think I am? What do you take me for? A fool?
It is really pointless discussing this right now. It is. When we are much calm, we'll talk about it. You have to go see your wife's dead body. Meanwhile, when you get there, play very smart. Do not make any one of them realize that you did it.
I don't tell you. Someone give me read. Better think twice, Malife. Better think twice. Oh, better think twice.
Death. Death, where is your power? You have taken a beautiful soul and daughter away from us. This is too hard to bear. Very difficult to bear. Neka. Neka. Rest in peace. Rest in peace.
Nayo nega lapugo. Olapugo. Nayo nega has left me just the same way her father and mother left me. Say, Ode call lapu. Nega, you told me all is going to be well. That was all you told me. Yeah, go. What's if not about a cool Christmas? Now where is my sister? Get one them, nega.
Baby, I don't understand. Tell me this is not true. My son, this thing that I say, is it true? What I'm hearing about our daughter Neka, is it really true?
No, it's true. Neka rapu gayo.
Hey!
Neka rapu go.
Hey! Just like that. Hey!
Nigga, come back!
I said I'm tired. I need to rest. Please.
We need to talk now.
Or what? If I refuse?
We had an agreement. Why are you trying to back out now?
What agreement? Oh, about you and I. The truth is that I am no longer sure about us.
What are you trying to do? You can't do to me. You can't leave me like that. I won't let you.
Or what? You'll kill me exactly the way you killed your wife? How do you explain her sudden death? How? You think I... Please excuse me.
It's not as easy as you think.
So where are you driving at? What are you trying to say? Try me! Ejike, try me and I will tell the world who you truly are. I'll tell them how you killed your wife. Murderer.